Lights, camera, action. Hello YouTube family, welcome to yet another video, my second video actually. And guys, I just want to thank you guys for the love and support you guys show me on my first YouTube video. Thank you guys so much. And to my new subscribers, welcome le amogetswe dina la ka ke Palesa Kototsi, and I pray and hope that you guys enjoy your stay on my channel. To my subscribers, you guys, I'm gonna thank you again. Thank you so much for the love and support on my first video. So on today's video, as you can see on the title, we're gonna run some errands. I want to buy some groceries for my house, and I'm also gonna organize my fridge with the stuff that I bought on the previous video from Pep Home, and then also do my bed. If you watched the first video, I did say I was gonna maybe do a vlog on how I'm gonna dress up my bed with the stuff that I bought from Pep Home, so that is also included on the video of today. So now I am off to the mall. Val Molo. Kilo reka some few stuff for like groceries, and then I also want I want to go to Lovisa. I need flat bags like for this piercing up here, because I don't really like these rings. They move a lot. Like this piercing takes a very long time to heal, so it doesn't want a lot of movement. If like there's a lot of movement, it starts to hurt in Nabutloko. So I want flat backs earrings instead of that. And what else? I also would like to get some baskets for my son's bedroom, baskets under the bed. What else do I want? Yeah, I'll see when I get there. But yeah, so today I'm just running a few errands. So I also have to courier a parcel for a client. Oh, and also I'm gonna do a mini get to know me, like Palesa ke mang, o tswa kae, go go etsagalang ka Palesa. So I'm gonna do that today as well on this video. So since there's a lot to do, let me get going to the mall, and I will see you guys when you get there. Here, like it's these parkings. I don't want to say it's underground parking because it's not underground the mall, it's right next to the mall, just that it's different levels. So I'm at the lower level and it's a bit dark. I just got to the mall. I think I'm gonna start on the food side and then walk down up until to the other side. So let's go. I usually use my phone to vlog because first of all, my camera is super heavy and I do not have a vlogging stick just yet. So when I'm at home, I use the camera, and when I'm out wherever, I go with my phone. this table for my son's bedroom. Okay, wait. Okay. Can I? Thank you, Tonya. Okay, so I just bought a table that I've been wanting for my son's bedroom. It's a side table. Now I am off to Pep store. I need to courier some stuff and also get some foam bath for my son. His foam bath is finished. So right now I'm just off to Pep store. And then yeah, I'm also gonna check what they have in their Pep homes. My favorite hazelnut. What do they call this thing? Hazelnut. What do they call that thing? Hey boo. I completely forgot the name. Forgot the name. I'll just. You'll know what I'm talking about. I'm looking for the name of that. That over there. How can I forget the name? Oh gosh. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Do you have hazelnut?
Yes.
Yes, can I have this cup?
How many?
One. Yes.
Chelsea.
The best. Lovisa comes before Pep, so I'm gonna go into Lovisa first to get my flat back for my earring. The card machine here at Lovisa does not work, so I'm not gonna go to the ATM. Let me go to the rest of the shops so that I can go home and fetch my son. It's almost time for him to go home. So let me quickly go to Pep so I can courier and also Sheet Street and then get out of here. Literally been at the mall the whole entire day. I'm only going home now. What a wow. Yeah. Yeah, ne? Yeah. So I'm finally back home from the mall. I fetched my son from school and then we came home. So now I am quickly gonna pack the groceries, and then do my bed. After doing my bed, I'm gonna make myself a young homemade iced coffee so that we can get into that get to know me that I still have to do. I think I'm gonna close the vlog with that get to know me. So let me quickly pack the groceries, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna do the bed, and then after the bed I am gonna do the get to know me. Let's get into it. Oh, there's something I want to show you guys. The Pep Home Obsession time. It's time for the Pep Home Obsession, and I went to Pep store on, was it on Monday or Tuesday, in President Hyper, and I got 2 things or 3, not too bad, but yeah, not a lot of things. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from the Pep at President Hyper. Look at this. I got this cute, what do they call it, cute canister. I think I'm gonna use it for jam. I'm gonna put my jam in here. I hope I'll be careful enough not to break it, but I got this jam canister from Pep, and it was 49.99, 50 rands. How gorgeous is this? The lighting is so bad. It's so gloomy outside, so don't mind the lighting. And also got, oh my gosh, look at this. How cute is this glass? I bought it for mostly my smoothies and my iced coffee. Imagine it with a straw inside. This is so beautiful. I got 2 of them. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these glasses. They are so beautiful. I got each one of them for 16.99. 16.99 rand, 17 rand was this gorgeous baby. These are beautiful. I love them so much. And then I also got, guys, I don't drink whiskey, ne? But what? Maybe one day I'll have a bar trolley, alcohol trolley, and I will use this. But this is glass. It's gorgeous. It is beautiful, guys. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous, and I will use it one day if I have a wine trolley. Guess how much this is. You will not believe this. Guess how much this is, guys. What? 26.99, 27 rand for this beauty. Pep Home, are you kidding me? Maybe I'll start drinking whiskey because of it. I'm joking, but yeah, guys. So this is also from Pep Home. So it's those few little things. Oh, I also, hold on. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's some kind of a LED light. It's a decorative filament light. Look at it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I just bought it because it was so appealing not to buy, and it was, I think, yeah, 49.99. It was 50 rand. Once I have found some way to put it, I will actually show you guys what I did with this. Ne? Don't worry, I will show you guys. But look at it. It's amazing. It's very big. It's not a normal bulb size. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Look at how people usually use it. It's those kind of lights. Got it from Pep Home. What? Okay, guys, so let me go and dress up my bed. After dressing up my bed, we're gonna do the get to know me. Action. Okay guys, so the iced coffee is ready in this beautiful glass from Pep and let's do this. Let's get into the get to know me video. Can I help you, sir?
Okay.
What do you want?
I don't need something new apparatus I use.
Okay, you can go that side. Thank you. Right, so okay, before we get into that, can I just give a quick review on this linen that I bought at Pep store for 450? And you go ahead. Guys, I'm not 100% happy. Honestly, for 400 rand, I was expecting something more, something, I don't know, but for 400 rand, I'm like 60% happy with it. Yeah, so that's the review on the bedding. Should I take off my glasses or should I keep them on? Because the ring light is reflecting on them. Okay, let me just take them off. Okay, right, so who is Palesa Kototsi? Palesa Kototsi Kimang. Okay, my names are Monica Palesa Kototsi, but I don't use the Monica name that often. I used to use it in primary school because the teachers there struggle to pronounce Palesa, so I just say, you know what, let's just use Monica. But most of the time I use Palesa K, which is short for Palesa Kototsi. Maraya, my name's Monica Palesa Kototsi. I was born in 1992 on the 30th of April, so I am currently 29 years old. I am the firstborn. Yeah, I'm the firstborn. I'm the older, I'm the bigger sister. I have two more siblings, a little sister and a little brother. My little sister is turning 21 this year, and my little brother, my little sister 2000, and my little brother, he's 10 years old. Yes, he's 10 years old this year. Right, so I was born and raised in the Northwest in Rustenburg. Kotlhabane to be precise. I went to Ramba Primary School from grade R up until grade 3. And then I went to, there was a small school just when you went to Rustenburg town called Viva Primary School. I went there from grade 4 up until grade 9. Yes, I was at Viva from grade 4 up until grade 9, and then I went to HF Klo High School. That's where I did my high school years in 2017. I did grade 10, 11, and 12 at HF Klo High School. So I did my matric in 2019. That's all in Rustenburg, where I am from. And then 2010, the World Cup. I came to the Val, which is where I am now. I've been here now, it's 2021, so I've been in the Val for 11 years. I went to the Val University of Technology, where I studied mechanical engineering. So I was there for 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. Yes, because I graduated in 2014. No, 2015. I graduated in 2014. The reason for that is, the reason I graduated in 2015, not 14, is that as engineering students, I don't know if they're still doing that now, but after you do your S1, S2, S3, and S4, you have to go to a company and do an in-service training for like a year. And then after that, the university will evaluate your progress, your reports, all the projects you did there, and then they say, okay, we are happy, and then you can graduate. So I did the in-service training for a year in 2014. Yes, I did the in-service training in 2014 from January up until December, and then 2015 April the next year I graduated. Is it April? No, September. Yeah, the following year I graduated. I'd got my mechanical engineering diploma. So by profession I am a mechanical technician. Ne? Sharp. Like my profession, but by passion I'm an entrepreneurship. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. So I did my in-service training at a company in Vanderbilt Park, and then that was 2014, and then 2015 I started my candidate. Like, in order for you to become a qualified mechanical technician, you do this in-service training, then they call you a candidate, I think for 18 months. Yes, for 18 months you do that program as well. And then so that was in 2015, and then 2016 I was still in the candidateship program, and then Ugel played with the boys, and Ugel fell pregnant in 2016. So I had to cut my training short because I couldn't go to the plant anymore. I was working at a very, very dangerous plant. So there are gases there, fumes, smoke, dust, and a whole lot of things. So I wasn't allowed to go to the plant. So I had to pause my training, and then I continued when I came back from my maternity. So sharp 2016 December I gave birth to my beautiful baby boy called Leeto. That's my son, my pride and joy, my everything. I live for that guy. He's the guy who always makes noise on my videos. He's even making noise right now as we speak. That's my son. That's my boy. There he comes. Come and say hi to the people. Come. Wait. Come. Oh, your nose, buddy.
Huh?
This flu doesn't want to leave you alone. Come and say hi to the people. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
My name is Lieto.
And I'm Mrs. Lieto.
And I love my mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Kiss mommy. Love you. Bye-bye. Yeah, so that's the guy who paused my training, but it was worth it. I love him to the moon and back. So sharp December 2016 I gave birth to him. I was on maternity leave from November up until March 2017. I went back to work. 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, things just went west. And then beginning of 2021, I got retrenched, so I'm currently unemployed. But I'm running side hustles. Yeah, I've been unemployed from January 2021 up until now. It is now October. I have been applying and but COVID really hit us hard, guys. So I am one of the unfortunate who got retrenched. But it's fine, we move, life goes on, I'm good, so that's the other reasons I also started a YouTube channel, because I had a lot of time on my hands. Not a lot of time as such, but I had time to record YouTube videos. So I'm currently running my side hustles that are doing very, very well. The first one is my own side hustle. I sell sunglasses. I will put up the page somewhere here. I sell sunglasses. At first, I started in 2019. Is it 2019? No, last year actually. When was it? When the lockdown hit hard, March, yes, around that time. I started the business. I called it La Shades by Palisa K, where I stocked from a local supplier. I used to stock like 10 sunglasses from the lady, and then I would distribute them and sell them to people. So as time went on, I stocked more. So I saw that people were interested in sunglasses, and I also love sunglasses myself. So trust me, they were not easy to. They were very, very easy for me to sell them. They were so easy for me to sell them. Like my marketing for them, it was so easy to go around it. So I always wanted to grow my business bigger. I didn't want to stick to just selling buying 10 sunglasses, and I wanted it to become bigger. So this year I grew it. I branched into now accessories. I'm talking about handbags. I sell handbags now, earrings, scarves, berets, belts. What else? But I will put up my page on somewhere around here, and also on the comment section, so that you guys can go and check out my page. It's called La Shades. Now it's La Shades and Accessories by Palisa K, because I've added the accessories and I'm still selling the sunglasses. So as I was saying, I used to stock like 10. Now where I'm currently sitting now, I have like more than 200 designs of sunglasses that I am selling now. So I have grown a lot from last year up until this year on my side hustle. And I also have something that I named, I like to say, my son is the manager of. We also sell, me and my son, we sell kiddies accessories, whereby for kids we sell mostly it's girl stuff, because boys are so hard to accessorize. So most of the stuff are boy stuff, girl stuff, I'm sorry. It's your likes of hair decorations, hair accessories, your headbands, your kiddie sunglasses, your hats, your summer hats, your small bags, watches. I will also put the link on the comment section, and also put a picture somewhere here just to show you guys, so that you can browse. To mommies with baby girls, this is your one-stop shop for your accessories for your baby girl. You're gonna find something on, it's called Jelly Tots Accessories. So it's mostly for girls. I will get more things to sell for boys, but for now most of the stuff there are for girls. And I'm sorry, mom, boys, I'm also a boy mom. And I have nothing for my own son, because boys are hard to accessorize, but one day is one day, I'll get something for our boys. So I'm also currently running that, and also I sell weight loss products. Like, guys, I started selling this weight loss product. It's Mama's Flat Stomach Tea in 2019. I lost weight so well. I was so nice and skinny. I was going to gym. I was the girl in 2019, and then COVID hit last year. Did your girl not become a chef, started cooking, and gained back all the weight? So when I grew my business, Lashes and Accessories by Palisa K, I call it LAS. When I started growing it, I put the weight loss side hustle on hold because this business needed a lot of my attention. I had to start up my own website. I had to shoot pictures. Like, there was a lot of admin, so I didn't want the weight loss side hustle to disturb anything to do with my side hustle. So, and the weight loss stuff, it's easier to sell when it has actually worked on you. So it worked on me before, and now I've gained back the weight. So it's so hard to advertise it. So I have to go back to the clean eating and in order for me to be able to sell the product, because it works very well. It works. I lost so much weight. I lost so much weight in 2019 due to that product. So I am gonna get back to it, to selling it, because now that my business is up and running, everything is up and running, the website is okay, everything is moving, you know. I just have to advertise and I have an Instagram page. I am not so much on Facebook. I don't know why. Most of my clients are from Instagram. I get more clients from Instagram. It's easier to advertise on Instagram. And I'm actually going to do a vlog on how I grew my Instagram account. It's a business account. I'm actually going to do that for my other entrepreneurs, ladies, just to show them how you can actually get your business out there, you know, how to people who don't even follow you on Instagram. So I'm gonna do a vlog on that one day, just to give you the tips and on how I got where I am now with my business, guys. So yeah, that's about it so far about me, about Palesa Kototsi. I don't know if I missed anything, or if there's something you'd like to know, just drop it on my on the comment section, and I will answer it. I'll give you guys an answer. I don't know what I missed. Oh, I'm not yet married. Yes, I'm not yet married. Here in the Val, I'm staying with my son, and his father is at home back in Rustenburg. So yes, guys, I don't think I missed anything, eh? Yeah, I don't think I missed anything. That's me, Palesa Kototsi, in a nutshell. And I just wanted to get this video out of the way so you guys know who I am, where I'm from, and I have a son, so that you don't get shocked when I mention Eto or my son, so you know who that is. And so now that this is out of the way, we can get into the business of this YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna close this vlog here today. Please subscribe for more interesting content. More content is coming. We're gonna be traveling, we're gonna be giving hair tips, we're gonna be vlogging. There's a lot we're gonna be doing, you know. So please do subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. It's free, guys. It's free. You don't have to pay anything monthly. There's no monthly subscription fee. You just subscribe and get free content from this girl. Okay, do best. So I'm gonna close this vlog here for today. I think I covered most of the stuff that I said when I opened this vlog in the morning. I like to think that I covered most of them. I've shown you guys how I used my Pep home stuff, the bedding, the stuff in my fridge. Oh, also, let me show you something quickly. That drawer set that I said I was going to use for my grocery, for my jewelry. Let me show you how I utilize that. I'll be back. So this is the drawer set. I think it's the first item that I mentioned on my very first vlog. So This is what I used it for. At the bottom here, it's my watches, my hairpins, and what else? Yeah, it's just watches and hairpins in here. And then on the second drawer, I have my rings. I love these rings. I have these rings. I usually get them from Lovisa. I have my rings in here and my necklaces in this second drawer, and earrings. Yes, and actual earrings. That's the second drawer. And then the first one, it's my nose rings. It's my nose rings and ear accessories for my ear. That's the first drawer. I think I'm gonna spray paint it. Gold or something, just to make it look much more nicer, you know. But I have like, it's a one-stop shop. Everything that I need is in here. Usually when I sleep, I just throw my earrings on my side table, and then in the morning the stopper is missing, and a lot of admin. So just before I sleep, I just put everything. I take off the rings, I put them where they stay. I take off the earrings, the watch, put it where it stays, and stash it in my wardrobe, and then my things are in order. So this came in very handy. Remember, I bought it for 50 rand. It was 50 rand at Pep Home. So if you need to organize your jewelry and this over here is your way to go. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. I think it's a very long vlog, so if you got this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate the time that you spend and invest in watching my videos. I'm gonna close this vlog here. Please comment, subscribe, and also hit click on that bell there so that you can get notifications every time I post a new video. So guys, let's close it up here. I love and appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, YouTube besties. Mwah!